Because, I don't know, they don't want their cake anymore.
Okay. Ready?
Well, no, wait.
You guys.
Eat it.
That's not putting it
Keep eating it.
Keep going.
No, I already had a piece. I want him to eat it all. That's okay. Keep eating.
First person view.
Burp.
Faster.
I can't get any cake.
Bigger bites. Eat.
Are you gonna like scoop it into his mouth?
That's all I can do. That's all I can do.
So you're done
Are you done eating it?
We'll save it for later. Let's go find a mirror.
What does it look like?
Oh, you want to see a mirror?
Did you see Dylan eating that cake? I videotaped it.
What does it look like?
So pretty. That's great.
I did not see a mouse.
Vicky, Vicky, give me your cake. Give me your cake.
Okay.